I'm Pietre du Plessis and I'm part of Rubisco. We are specialists in growing stone fruit, but we're using our trusted partner Exa Europe to connect the fruit to the discerning customers in Europe. On this farm we specialize in plums. We at Rubisco, we're passionate about stone fruit. We eat and sleep and dream about stone fruit during the season. I think there's a lot of varieties that's coming through. We all know that the varieties in the past, maybe the normal Letitias, Sungirls, Yellow Flesh varieties, but it seems like the market moved a little bit away from the Yellow Flesh varieties. And the watermelon plum that we're going to see, it's a wonderful red flesh variety, is high in antioxidants, wonderful red inside, and it's also very healthy. So it's actually a wonderful, good story to tell. It's important for us that everything that we do on the farm, that we adhere to the environmental aspects. Most of our farms already have some solar power, and about 80% of this farm, the energy is coming from solar power. The irrigation water on Bonnesbrans is gravitating from the mountains in wintertime, and in summertime we can pump it with energy that's coming from our solar system. So the carbon footprint of our fruit is very low. We believe we're professional farmers on this side, but we need a trusted professional partner on the other sides. In the Netherlands, Exa Europe is our trusted partner. They need to trust that we produce the correct size of fruit and eating quality, superior taste with very safe food record. And we also need to trust that Exa Europe can sell these fruit in the local domain. They're the specialists and they can do the best in their environment. In terms of the stone fruit category, we think we can grow because we've got the wonderful new genetics. We've got about 125 varieties on Bonnesbrans that we're testing from 8 or 9 breeding programs all over the world. So we're testing the best varieties and commercialize them. So it's a sexy industry with a lot of new genetics, and Exa Europe is going to see a lot of these fruits and they can present it to their clients.